mo flak kalegi sa group ranga sexual abito bakna singa yana dengkang.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Govt K. Sangma on Thursday said that NPP-led MDA government has accorded adequate thrust to neglected regions of the state. He said that the government in the last 4 years have initiated various welfare and infrastructure projects in South Garo Hills to accelerate development. Addressing a gathering at Bakmara, he said that the ongoing construction of Captain Williamson Sangma Memorial College at a cost of 12 crore will create better higher education facilities in South Garo Hills. MLA of Siju Rongara Rakam Sangma also lauded the effort of the government to fast-track development in South Garo Hills. Later, he interacted with producers groups at Bakmara and distributed financial assistance amounting to 1.1 crore to 166 producers groups. Chief Minister urged the public to avail benefits of the Focus program and other financial assistance that are being provided by the government. He also said that the MDA government's vision is to double the income of the farmers. The farmers in the state over the years had faced the challenge of collectivizing their produces, buying and selling farm products individually. With 4.5 lakh families dependent on agriculture in the state, the Focus scheme is a unique program of the state government that will bring direct benefits to farmers, especially those impacted by COVID. The scheme will ensure that farmers are able to enhance their productivity, avail benefits of credit linkages, and strengthen access to markets.
Captain Williamson Sangma College, Jekon PS Sangma Sagini Sumayo, PS Sangma, ya college ko, Singate, Bakmara, or South Garo Hills ni Sadaberang na biyay ko dedicate kaas. Ya college, the double C, building green, mamang infrastructure green, ya college ko, Baitabab Sina Salaya. Mulaya government ni Sumayo, Jela ko sini Sadaberang, Oraila namtropa biaprangko namtropa Shillong ko matien ya ko magsungi Natal college building ko sina sanction ka aro yani construction ba ama singjo ya program na libanas kang construction ni lakan sini engineer ang baksa architect baksa contractor baksa meeting ka aimang kamang ko niyemang ya building ko ya hazar gani korrak gani bulsi December ni gisepo machot na nanggen jirangan chundrapat karkhana rang ko kulinas kiyasin yarang naba daksakimang interest free loan rang ko sina opninga dantang cooperative society donga ko di cooperative society ko na isimang thanimang sini tentang cooperative society yo interest free loan je rakia sini piggery mission no milk mission no au poultry mission aro aqua mission ya dapat tentang mission model sila program ko apat singso ya rangoban ismang tentang level lo saksakali ko magi Meghalaya government lalu ninga aro yani benefit ko ban ismang kana makin